Fish curry lovers, today is your day. Let's make a tasty, mouth-watering Kerala-style mackerel fish curry. Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have 500 grams of fresh mackerel fish, also known as Bangda. Let me show you what all we need to make this delicious curry. I have taken 1 green chilli, 2 medium onions, 2 teaspoon chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 to half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 rings of Malabar tamarind or Kodumpuli soaked in water earlier, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1½ teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon oil, and of course salt to taste. And also we need little water while cooking. Usually we soak all the spice powders in a little hot water for a few minutes. So I have mixed them with hot water and kept it aside. Next I am chopping the onions into small pieces. You can also grind them into a paste if you prefer, but today I am adding them chopped. I have slit the green chilli too and kept it ready. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you will get all my updates. I also come live in the evenings. Do join me in my kitchen. Now let's move to the stove. This is my mean chatti, the traditional earthen pot we use for fish curry. I'm heating it up first. Earthen pots take a little time to get hot, but once heated they retain heat beautifully. The pot is hot now, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use either sunflower oil or coconut oil. We usually use coconut oil, but today I'm using sunflower oil. Once the oil is hot, in go the mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Let them splutter. Now add the chopped onions. Saute them well. When they turn translucent, add the ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell goes and the onions turn slightly brown. Next add the green chilli and curry leaves. Give it a mix. Now it's time to add our soaked masala paste. Keep the flame on low while adding it. Saute well until the oil starts separating from the masala. You can see it clearly on the edges. At this stage, add the soaked Malabar tamarind along with the water. And then add 2 cups of additional water. Add salt to taste and let it come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, gently add the fish pieces one by one. I am covering it and cooking for about 3 minutes. Then I remove the lid and cook for another 6 to 8 minutes. And just look at that, the fish is perfectly cooked and the aroma is filling the whole kitchen. Honestly, I feel like eating right away, but I'm also making a vegetable side dish, so I'll wait. Fish curry with tamarind tastes even better the next day, so today I'll keep some aside for tomorrow. That flavor will be amazing. So that's it friends, our Kerala style mackerel fish curry is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this recipe with your friends and family. And here is my lunch for today. Some hot rice, this flavorful fish curry and a bit of veg fry. I can't wait to enjoy this. Until I come with another delicious recipe, happy cooking and take care.